Hello everyone, I'm Farel Imran and today I'll be telling you about file handling in Python. So in this video, I'll be telling you about what is file, how to handle it, what are the types of mods used, which are read, write, append, and how you can use it in Python to modify a file or even make a file. So let's get started. So the first one is the read mode. Now how do you do is that you need to know there should be a file that you should have. Now I have a file here which is called gina.txt. It's like I've already made it, this file. So I'll just open it. Yep, here. So now when I opened it, so you can see there is already some words written in it. So you can also make the file. I'll be showing you in this video. Now here you see there's a hello. For example, I'm just writing some words in Gina that hello, I am Gina and I love food. Okay, so I just wrote some words in here. Now if you want to open this file, so what you'll do, you'll use the thing as open. First you'll use the word open, and when you'll use this keyword or this code open, so you have to make it in a variable. Means you have to like add these things in a variable. So if I say that s equal to open, then you write the file name, so which is gina.txt, and that too you have to add in the single quotes or the double quotes. Then after that, comma, and then you have to add the mode, whether it's read mode, write mode, or append mode. So here if I say R stands for read mode. Now as I wrote this, then what I'll do, I'll just print, for example, these files. I'll just make a loop, for loop for I in S and then the colon. After that I'll just say print I. So I would be printed because we made a loop in it. So in this file it will be looping it and then it will be printing the words that will be there. Now when I click on run, so you see here the file contents has been printed. So whatever was there, hello I'm Gina, I love food, so this was printed. Now this is how you can read it, and there are some more things you can. Instead of a loop, we don't want to add a loop. Then also what you can do is you just say print, like you write here print, and then after that you can say that s dot read. Now this is the thing, you can use this, it will read all the contents. When you click on run, so you see here it is printed, and but you cannot see it here. Now if I change some of the contents, that I hate yellow color. Okay, let me write it here, yellow color. Okay, now when you print this again, so you can see here now these contents has been printed. After that you can also add this thing, that s.read, you can add it in the variable and then print that variable. You can also do that also, that f is equal to s.read and then print f. So you can also do that also, print f. Now when you click on run, so you see here this has been printed. After that you can not just read, you can read the lines also. Read the lines, use this word, and then you add like how many characters you want to read. If I say 6, So 6 characters would be red. So see here, just hello is red and the comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this has been added. Or if I say like 20, so when I click on run, so these have been like these contents, which are the 20 characters, that has been printed here. Now that is all for read. And oh, one more thing, you can also use with also. Now let me show you how with is used. Now instead of a variable, what do? You just say with, WITH, you add this, and then as, you like make some variable, or you just write the name as a file. Okay. Now when you have written this, then what you do, you add the colon to it. Add colon here. So you add this. After that, then you can just print file.read, or you can do this like print file.read. Just click on this. Then when you click on run, so here all words has been printed, like all the contents has been printed. So here what you can do, you can add it in the variable by using open the file and then the mode. You can use with, you can also use looping, you can use file.read. So all these you can use it for file handling. Now this was for the read mode. Now for the write mode, what you do, you just add W instead of R. Now if I just say W, and then you have to write the contents also here, that how you can write it. So I'll just, instead of file.read, you'll say file.write. Then you have to write the things in it. Now you have to add this. After that, you can add in single quotes or double quotes, I am a cute person. Okay, now I wrote this. Now when I click on, after that what you have to do, you have to close this file also. So in with, you don't need to use f.close, but now when you click on run, so nothing is happening because you didn't print the file. So let me show you here. Now print file, and I click on run. So here there's giving some word to it. So just I'll say click on run. So this has been run, and here you see it has been overwritten. Now to do this, we can just print file. Click on run. You see here there's some kind of, why do you see here there's encoding and all this stuff? Because it's not in read mode, so that's why it won't print anything. Even if you add the print statement, it won't print, it would just write it. Now you can also make a new text file also, like for example, if I say text.txt and then write as file, then we'll say file.write I'm a cute person, and then because we are making a new file, and then what do, you also say after that when you click on run, so you see here text.txt has been printed. Now when you click on, you see here this file, this write statement has been written. Now this was with the with. Now if you add the, for example, if you add the variable, now file is equal to open, you'll just open the file, or you'll write the name of the file, you'll write the name of, if you write the write mode with it, and the file name is not the one that you have created before, then it will create the new file. But if the file is already there, like such as text.txt, and then you write comma w, so the write mode, so whatever you'll write in the file, that would be overwritten, means whatever things were there here, it would be like erased and the new line would be added. Now if I say hi, okay, and then after that we'll hi and file dot write, I am a person. Now after that, for example, if I just write this, and then after that, in this, when you add it in a variable, in this you have to close it, so file dot close. Okay, now after that, when I click on run, so you see here in text.txt, now this thing has been written. Before it was I'm a cute person. Now that line was overwritten by this line. Now there's another one which is called append. Now append, what it does, it will just append to it, means whatever content is there in the file, that would not be erased, it would not be overwritten, and it would just, you'll just add the things. So instead of file.write, you'll add file.append. Now this happens in the append mode. It would be in the write mode, sorry, not append mode, it would be the write mode, and means write mode in the sense it will be file.write, and then whatever, then you have to close it, and it would be added in the file, it would be appended with the file because the mode is different. If I say file.close, then when I click on run, you see here nothing is printing here, but if you see text.txt, so you see here it has been added. Now if I add some other words, that the, for example, if I add some another words like the weather is beautiful. Now if I add this, the weather is beautiful and it is rainy. If I add this thing here, I'm going to click on run, so in text.txt, you see here now these words are added. So this is how you can handle the files in read mode, write mode, and append mode. So that is all from my side, and do write in the comments that if you understood or you need some more understanding of it, so you can write in the comments. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.